I'm Susan. Today I am participating in week 19 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And I'm going to show, I haven't done a flip through in a while, so I'm going to do a quick flip through what I've done so far. Here was week 1, week 2 and 3, week 4 and 5, week 6, and this was a different collage challenge, week 7 and 8, week 9, I love this one, I love this one too, 10 and 11, week 12, 13, week 14. This one was a little wild for me, but I still like it. I started doing double spreads. 15, week 16, 17, and 18. I think this one's my favorite. And so now it's time to do week 19. And for this challenge, it calls for dancing, and I've got these beautiful little ladies, a label. I've got these labels. I think these came from Tina, Shabbydabbydoodah. The next word you hear someone saying in whichever form. I have 3 cats, so that was what I heard. And something black and white. I'm using black and white papers. In geometrical shapes, I'm using this scrapbook paper because of the shapes. And the bonus is something stapled. And I've got my stapler, and I will probably be stapling ribbon or lace or something like that. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and give Margarete Miller's channel a look. She's very talented. And check out the hashtag so that you can see what everybody else has made. There's some talented ladies there. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, I'm finished. I love this. I mean, I really love it. All right, I've got my dancing, and I've got the next, a label. I've got my label. The next noun you hear someone saying in whichever form, and I've got the cat. I figure that little girl should have a kitty cat. Something in black and white. And of course, I've got my pictures, and I've just got black and white throughout. Geometrical shapes. I've got my background paper. And bonus, something stapled, and I just stapled this pretty trim on the edge of my page. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and please be sure and check out the hashtag with all of the beautiful collages that's going to be there. So until next time, bye y'all.